Viola Grace Shop sent me this cool wrapping paper. So you guys know me, I love to take things and use them for other things. So we are going to do 3 craft projects with just 1 sheet of wrapping paper. So you saw me, I was kind of I just used a couple of scrap piece of paper to make the outline of the top part of this sign because we're gonna cut that out of the wrapping paper. So I'm just painting up the edges. It's similar color to the paper. And then what we'll do is we will put down some Mod Podge and then we will lay that cutout piece over the top of this. Now, if you have any overhang or anything like that, because the sign has kind of got that little edge to it, you can go in and you can use some sandpaper to clean up those edges if you need to. So I love the colors of these. I think they're so much fun. So I thought, oh, I'm gonna blow up the skeleton. You can see there, that's the copy I blew up, and then I'm tracing it onto foam board. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and I'm going to cut out that shape with the foam board here. So once we do that, if you need to clean up those edges, you can sand those as well. I love using foam board because it's so super easy, but I cut out the eyes and the nose and I'm tracing those on as well. And then I'm using my paint pen and I'm going to draw those in. Now, Dollar Tree had these little, oh gosh, like little wooden discs and then the little like longer pieces of wood. And I thought, oh, let's add some dimension to the skeleton. So what I'm doing is I'm just painting everything black. And then once that's dry, I will go in and I will hot glue the eyes over. They're obviously smaller than the big one. Same thing with the little heart, and then we will put the mouth on there. Now, when they sent this to me, they sent me it in this tube, which I was like, oh, we are crafting with this. So I cut the bottom part of the tube off, and then I stuck the topper back in it because we're going to make this into a candle holder. So I'm going to put a coat of paint on it. I'm going to use this orange. And then we are going to set that aside and let that dry. I only did 1 coat on this because we're going to add something that's super cool to this. So while that's drying, I grabbed the other part and we're gonna use this as a vase. So I'm putting the Mod Podge down onto the paper and then I'm just rolling it around the tube. And then I sanded the top and the bottom and just to clean it up really well, and worked out perfectly. So now back to the little candle holder. I cut out the pieces from the wrapping paper. We're going to decoupage those on to the top of this and put, now this paper is a little bit thick, so just take your time, put some on the base, put some down, put some over the top, and it ends up working out really nicely. But I thought, what a cool way to recycle the tube. But look how cute these 3 projects are. Oh, I love these so very much. This paper, you guys are gonna love it. So I will drop in the comments the link. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.